Grab a plate and get in line. It's time for the annual Thanksgiving buffet at the Executive Grille. The culinary students at Jane Addams Business Career Center are making everything from scratch as usual. Get ready to gobble up turkey, mashed potatoes, baked macaroni and cheese, sweet potato casserole, stuffing, pumpkin soup, homemade desserts, and so much more. It's all happening November 8th and 9th from 11 to 1. Last seating is $12.45. Cost is $17 per person, which includes a drink. Call 216-838-CHEF. That's 2433 for more information. If you just can't get enough of the culinary students' delicious homemade cooking, get your order in for the 22nd annual pie sale. The talented student chefs are busy baking everything, including pumpkin, sweet potato, and apple pies, plus cheesecake, pumpkin rolls, and more. All orders must be placed by November 14th. Call 216-838-CHEF, that's 2433, for more information and to place your order. For more content like this, you can visit the CMSD News Bureau website at clevelandmetroschools.org/news. Reporting from the CMSD TV studio, I'm Shannon Kantner.